guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be recreating Instagram pictures of my subscribers. Now this was the most awaited video and I wanted to do this video ever since a really long time, but after I hit 25k subscribers. But since I am not able to make it to 25k subscribers, क्या मालूम, I don't know what's the reason behind that. I have been posting regularly but still. So I would request each one of you to please share this video as much as you can. Ask your friends, ask your family members to subscribe to my channel because I'm really dying to make it. And now before getting into this video, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment using the hashtag YouTubeEraFam and I'll be more than happy to reply to all your comments. Subscribe to my channel, also this little bell icon. And yes, let's get into this video. The first picture which I'm going to recreate is by the subscriber named Khushi Jain. Now looking at the picture, I feel she looks really cute and it would be really difficult for me to recreate those pictures. I mean, I in general don't look cute, so that's going to be a big task for me. And if you guys see in the picture, you guys could see कि उन्होंने एक knitted material वाला top पहना है which is pink in color. Along with that उन्होंने knitted hat पहना है जिसके वजह से you guys are seeing me like this. Since I didn't had pink color वाला any knitted material का top, I went ahead with this yellow color and this knitted hat. I think I'm going to play around while editing and हो सके तो I'll try to match the color. अगर नहीं भी हुआ तो that's totally fine. I hope I will be able to pose just like her. So yeah, काफी ज़्यादा excitement हो रही है. अभी चलते हैं and देखते हैं how do I implement that. So the first picture recreation looks something like this. I'm not really sure if I have justified this picture. I mean, उनका smile कितना ज़्यादा cute लग रहा है and I don't know how am I even looking. Do let me know in the comments down. How did you find this recreation? Now the second picture which I'm going to recreate, you guys could see over the screen. उन्होंने एक छोटा सा tiny सा एक flower लिया है on her hand and she have played around with her eyes and with her beautiful smile. I don't know if I'll be able to pose on the similar lines just like her, but since you guys could see, I have done the similar hairstyle just जैसे उन्होंने उस picture में किया था and I hope it goes great. So yeah, come along. So this is how the picture looks like and I guess I did a good job in recreating this picture because I guess the angle and the pose which I pursued and she pursued were totally different. But yeah, मैंने बहुत try किया but नहीं हो रहा था. So I hope you guys don't mind. Now second subscriber जिसका मैं picture recreate करने वाली हूँ उनका नाम है तनु दास and the first picture which I'm going to recreate is this one. And as you guys could see, उन्होंने एक black color का off shoulder top पहना है and बहुत ही sexy सा look दिया है which is very intense. I guess I'll be able to recreate this and since I didn't had black color का off shoulder वाला top, I went ahead with this purple वाला off shoulder top because I know black and white color करके it could be handled. And yeah, now let's go ahead and see how it goes. So talking about this picture which I have recreated, I guess you have portrayed a very sass attitude and while looking at me, I don't know what have I even done with my face. Did a okay job, not really good, not really bad. Now do let me know in the comments down what you guys think about this picture. Now the second picture which I'm going to recreate shows finger on your lips wala pose. I guess this should be easy to recreate. So far it has been really difficult to recreate your pictures because you guys are so insanely creative. And yeah, now I hope at least ये picture तो अच्छी आ जाए. Now talking about this picture which I have recreated, I guess finger on your lips वाला pose तो मैंने कर ही दिया है and it sort of looks similar. So yeah, I'm pretty much happy with the output of this picture. तो next look जो मैं recreate करने वाली हूँ उनका नाम screen में दिया होगा because I don't know what मतलब उनका नाम को कैसे pronounce करना है. It was really difficult for me to figure it out. सो या प्लीज़ बुरा मत मानना. एंड उन्होंने सेम टाइप की शर्ट पहनी थी, सो आई थॉट इट वुड बी ईजी टू रिक्रिएट दिस पिक्चर. एंड उन्होंने हाथ रखा अपने चिन पे एंड बहुत सिंपल सा पोज देके ये फ़ोटो क्लिक किया. एंड आई थिंक इट शुड बी ईजी फॉर मी टू रिक्रिएट एज वेल. सो या, नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड एंड ट्राई आवर लक. Now talking about the picture which I've recreated, I guess the shirt which we both are wearing are same, जिसकी वजह से I think 50% मेरा job थोड़ा easy हो गया. Now talking about the pose was quite simple of her, so I think I have tried to match it up and the picture looks stunning. So yeah, do let me know in the comments on what you guys think about this picture. The next subscriber जिनका मैं picture recreate करने वाली हूँ उनका नाम है श्रुति. जो भी pictures मैंने देखे उनके इंस्टाग्राम पे देयर वर मोस्टली सेल्फी वाले पिक्चर्स, सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक यूज ऑफ माई कैमरा टू क्लिक सच पिक्चर्स. नाउ दिस इज हाउ द पिक्चर लुक्स आफ्टर रिक्रिएशन. आई गेस श्रुति अपने मोस्ट ऑफ द पिक्चर्स सेल्फी मोड में लेती है एंड आई एम नॉट अ सेल्फी क्वीन, बट आई हैव ट्राइड माई लेवल बेस्ट पिक्चर्स मैच अप कर पाऊँ. ऑल्दो आई बिलीव इतना कोई अच्छा काम किया नहीं है. ये पिक्चर रिक्रिएट करने तक काफ़ी ज़्यादा टायर्ड हो चुकी थी. सो अगर मेरे फेस पे इतना ज़्यादा टायर्डनेस दिख रहा है, सो यू गाइज शुड नो द रीज़न व्हाई इज इट. तो इस पिक्चर में उन्होंने सेम ये ब्लैक कलर का टी शर्ट पहना है एंड एक चिलैक्स टाइप का पोज दिया है. आई होप आई वुड बी एबल टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस पोज बिकॉज मैंने अपने लाइफ में ऐसा टाइप का कभी पोज दिया नहीं है. सो या, लेट्स मूव अहेड एंड देखते हैं. Now this is how the picture looks after recreation and I believe ये चिलैक्स टाइप का पोज मेरे बस की कभी बात हुई नहीं है अपने पूरे लाइफ में. एंड आई वॉज रियली हैप्पी कि मैंने ऐसा टाइप का कुछ पोज ट्राई किया. आई ट्राई समथिंग न्यू, लर्निंग फ्रॉम माई सब्सक्राइबर्स, बट इन नो वे आई think I have matched this because you guys are so insanely talented while posing. So yeah, it was really a difficult task to recreate all the pictures. And last recreation. Now so the next picture which I'm going to recreate is of my subscriber called Mudrika Agrawal. And उन्होंने ये फर्स्ट पिक्चर में टेडी बियर का यूज़ किया है एंड शी वॉज सिटिंग ऑन द बेड एंड बहुत ही क्यूट सा पिक्चर उन्होंने क्लिक किया है. एंड आई अगेन वोट दिस सेम वाइट कलर का t-shirt because I guess that goes really good with the picture. I'm super excited to click this picture with this teddy. So yeah, this is the only teddy which I have. वरना उसके अलावा एक बहुत बड़ा सा teddy है. So yeah, let's go. This picture I just love the most because teddy bear है picture में, which makes the picture look more cuter. Also posing में इतना ज़्यादा मेहनत मुझे करना नहीं पड़ा, बस इस साइड देख लिया and the picture was done. I'm so happy. ये picture recreate करने में मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा and I am truly happy with the pictures I've recreated. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment using the hashtag YouTubeEraFam and let me know कौन से सब्सक्राइबर का रिक्रिएशन मैंने बेटर किया है. एंड या इन केस यू गाइज वांट पार्ट 2 ऑफ दिस, देन प्लीज भर के कमेंट कर देना एंड आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू मेक पार्ट 2 ऑफ दिस recreation of my subscribers के Instagram pictures. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Also press the little bell icon. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.